Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's now explore the benefits of AI over the traditional email journey. Let's begin with one of the most visible benefits of AI in email support: speed and efficiency. In the traditional email journey, the process is slow and labor-intensive. Each incoming email must be opened, read carefully, categorized, and then assigned to the right queue. Only then does an agent begin drafting a response. If the case requires research or data from multiple systems, the delay gets even longer. For customers, this often means waiting hours or even days for a reply. The experience feels outdated and frustrating in an age where instant messaging and chat are the norm. Now let's compare that with the AI-powered approach. As soon as an email arrives, AI scans the content and instantly detects the customer's intent. It classifies the email into the right category: billing, order status, refund, or technical support, without human intervention. For many routine requests, AI can even draft a full response, ready for agent approval or, in some cases, send automatically. This transformation reduces response times dramatically, from days to just minutes. Customers no longer feel ignored, and businesses can meet strict SLAs with ease. Agents also benefit because they no longer waste valuable time on manual sorting or repetitive replies. Instead, they can focus on high-value tasks, confident that the system is handling the basics. The impact is twofold: customers enjoy fast, reliable communication, while businesses gain a streamlined, more efficient operation that scales effortlessly. In short, AI shifts email from a slow, reactive channel into a fast, proactive engine of customer satisfaction. Now let's explore the benefit of cost savings when comparing traditional email handling with AI-powered email support. In the traditional model, email volumes are unpredictable. Backlogs can grow quickly, especially during promotions, product launches, or seasonal peaks. To cope, businesses often hire large teams of agents just to keep up. But this comes with a heavy price, higher payroll costs, additional infrastructure, and ongoing training expenses. Even with more agents, spikes still create bottlenecks, driving overtime costs and increasing burnout. AI-powered email transforms this equation. By automating repetitive and routine queries, such as order status updates, password resets, shipping confirmations, or FAQs, AI removes a huge portion of the workload that typically consumes agent hours. Instead of requiring dozens of agents to handle low-value tasks, businesses can run leaner teams focused only on complex or high-priority cases. The cost impact is significant. Imagine cutting 30 to 40% of email volume from human handling. That translates into reduced staffing costs, fewer overtime hours, and lower attrition caused by repetitive work. Over time, these savings can be reinvested into customer experience improvements, advanced training for agents, or even further AI innovations. But the benefits go beyond headcount reduction. By optimizing resource allocation, AI helps balance operational costs with business growth. In other words, companies don't have to keep adding agents every time email volume increases. AI scales instantly, while costs stay under control. The result? A smarter, leaner operation that saves money while still delivering faster, more reliable service. Let's dive deeper into the benefit of consistency and accuracy when comparing traditional email handling with AI-powered support. In the traditional email journey, the quality of responses can vary widely. One customer may receive a detailed, professional reply, while another gets a rushed or incomplete answer. Why? Because responses depend heavily on the agent's experience, skill level, current workload, and even their mood. Under pressure, errors creep in, typos, missing details, or inconsistent tone. This not only frustrates customers but also creates risks for compliance, especially in regulated industries like banking, healthcare, or telecom, where accuracy is critical. Now, consider the AI-powered approach. AI enforces a standardized process for every single response. It drafts replies aligned with brand guidelines, ensuring the right tone, whether professional, empathetic, or supportive, remains consistent across all interactions. AI also cross-checks data from CRM and knowledge bases, minimizing factual errors. By embedding compliance rules directly into templates, it reduces regulatory risk and protects the brand from potential penalties. The result? Customers experience consistent, polished, and accurate communication no matter when they write in or which team is available. For the business, this translates into higher trust, fewer escalations, improved audit readiness, and a professional reputation that scales across thousands of emails daily. In short, AI turns email into a channel where consistency and accuracy are not left to chance, they're built into the system from the very first word to the last. Another critical benefit of AI in email support is scalability. In the traditional email model, sudden spikes in volume are one of the biggest challenges. During seasonal sales, product launches, or unexpected crises, the number of incoming emails can double or even triple overnight. With only a fixed number of agents available, queues grow longer, response times increase, and SLA commitments are quickly breached. Customers are left waiting, service quality drops, and frustration rises. The only way to cope in this model is to add more staff, which takes time, money, and resources. Now, let's compare that with the AI-powered approach. AI has the ability to process thousands of emails simultaneously. It doesn't slow down when volumes surge, it simply scales instantly. Routine queries are handled automatically, while urgent or complex cases are directed to agents without delay. This means customers continue receiving timely responses even during high-demand periods. The advantage is clear: no need for large-scale hiring, no delays in training temporary staff, and no risk of customer dissatisfaction due to long wait times. Businesses can confidently handle peak periods, knowing AI can flex on demand while keeping costs under control. The outcome is a more resilient and future-ready operation, one that adapts instantly to spikes in demand without compromising quality, SLAs, or the customer experience. In short, with AI, scalability is no longer a staffing problem, it's a built-in capability. Now let's focus on perhaps the most important outcome of all: customer experience. In the traditional email journey, customers often face long waits just to receive a response. And when the reply finally arrives, the quality can vary. Some responses may be detailed, others rushed, and most lack true personalization. This inconsistency frustrates customers, who may feel like just another ticket in a queue rather than a valued individual. Over time, these poor experiences erode trust and loyalty, pushing customers toward competitors who respond faster and more reliably. With AI-powered email, the experience is transformed. Customers receive faster replies, often within minutes, not days. But speed alone isn't enough. AI also brings proactive personalization into every interaction. By pulling context from CRM systems, purchase history, and prior conversations, AI ensures responses are tailored to each customer's unique situation. In addition, AI can apply sentiment analysis in real time. If a customer's tone signals frustration or urgency, the system can adjust the reply's wording to be more empathetic or escalate the case to a live agent when a human touch is needed. This creates a sense of care and attentiveness that customers notice and appreciate. The result? Higher satisfaction, stronger trust, and increased loyalty. Customers feel heard, understood, and valued, not just answered. For the business, this translates into better retention, fewer complaints, and a reputation for delivering service that truly puts the customer first. In short, AI turns email into a channel where speed, personalization, and empathy work together to elevate the entire customer experience. Finally, let's look at how AI transforms email into a powerful source of business insights. In the traditional email model, reporting is limited. Managers typically track basic metrics like total volume, backlog size, and average response time. While these numbers are useful, they don't reveal much about customer behavior, hidden risks, or future opportunities. Businesses are essentially reacting to email traffic rather than learning from it. With AI-powered email, the game changes. Every conversation becomes a source of intelligence. AI analyzes transcripts for sentiment trends, detecting whether customers are happy, neutral, or frustrated. It can flag early signs of churn risk, allowing businesses to step in before a customer leaves. It also identifies trending issues, for example, if multiple customers are complaining about the same product feature, that insight can be shared instantly with product or engineering teams. Beyond risk detection, AI also uncovers growth opportunities. By scanning customer intent and purchase history, it can recommend relevant cross-sell or upsell offers right within the email interaction. This turns support from a cost center into a revenue-generating channel. The value for leaders is enormous. Not only do they get real-time visibility into performance, but also predictive insights that help shape smarter strategies. Instead of simply measuring how many emails came in, they gain a deeper understanding of why customers are reaching out, how they feel, and what actions the business should take next. In short, AI elevates email from a basic service channel to a strategic intelligence engine, improving decision-making, customer retention, and long-term growth. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.